Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinoke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this lovely DIY crochet using Xpression braiding hair to achieve this gorgeous crochet hem. So you can see I sectioned one Xpression hair into two, then I cut the one I cut into two, I cut it into two again. That means I section one Xpression hair into four. It depends on the length you want. So you can see what I'm doing now. After cutting the hair, I'm just going to be picking out the tip of the hair. After I'm done picking out the tip of the hair, I didn't show it on camera. I brushed the hair out. I didn't add any oil or cream when brushing. So now you can see this is the spiral rod I'm going to be using. You can see what I'm doing. I fold the hair into two, then I'll hang it towards that top part to form the loop of the crochet. Then I'll roll to the back. Do not roll to the front, or else you won't get the settings of this spiral rod. So I keep rolling round. This spiral rod just looks like a nail, so I just keep rolling round till I get to the tip. So when I get to the tip, I'm going to secure it. Don't worry, there are some that when you even round it, when you even put it round the rod, it won't stay, it will unravel. I'm going to show you how you can also protect that. Then I'll show you again. I'll fold the hair into two, the same length. I'll put it into that loop. Then I'll twist it to secure the knots in case you want to crochet it. Then I'll start rolling to the back. On this video, it's showing as if I'm rolling to the front. No, I'm rolling to the back, because if I roll to the front, I won't get the settings of this spiral rod. So I keep rolling till I get to the tip. Then I secure it like that. Some of them will unravel. Don't worry, I'm going to show you, as I said earlier, how you can secure that. So if you think the hair is not well brushed, you can take your brush it again very well. You don't want it to be tangled in case if you want to separate this hair. So I keep rolling. This is what I mean, like some of the hair may unravel when you try to secure it. I tried to do that again, but for the last time, if it's not staying, I'm going to use a rubber band to hold that down. Make sure you use a very strong rubber band to hold it down, because you know we are going to be adding hot water in it. So I'll use a rubber band to secure it down. That is all. After I'm done, I'm going to be adding hot water. Yes, you have to add hot water. Then I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner with my olive oil. Leave-in conditioner is going to make it soft, while the olive oil is going to make it shine. Do you grab that? This hair came out so soft. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just unraveling the hair. Then you can easily cut the tip away. So I'll show you guys again. I'll unravel it. Very easy to unravel. This hair came out so soft, so as in very soft. So that is all for the video. Can you see? This came out so beautiful. The coils are bouncing. Thank you so much for watching. Please Do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, support your girl, please. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'll put the link where you can get that spiral rod in description below, but not today that I upload the video. Just check the next day. You're going to see the link there. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Mwah.